Welcome back. Today we are making Kanda batata poha. It is one of the staple breakfast recipe made with onions, potatoes, spices and flattened rice or poha. Add 3 tablespoons of oil, and when oil is hot enough, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let it crack. One sprig of curry leaves. Add 3 slit green chillies and fry for some time. Add 1 thinly sliced onion. Cook it till golden in color. Clean and wash poha or flattened rice for 2 times and soak it in good water for 2 to 3 minutes and drain the water. Add 1 boiled and cubed potato. Add 3/4 cup freshly grated coconut. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon sugar. Salt to taste. Add soaked poha and give it a good stir. Garnish the poha with chopped coriander leaves.